Now, Nairobi County Governor Dr. Kidero is accusing lawyer Ahmednasir Abdullahi of engineering a campaign to tarnish his name through pursuing false claims that he paid 200 million shillings in bribe to Supreme Court Judge Phillip Tunoi. The governor alleges that Ahmednasir's bitterness arises from the fact that he refused to hire his legal services in the election petition filed by Ferdinand Waititu, in which Ahmednasir would have earned 25 million shillings from him. He said this after appearing before the Judicial Service Commission Committee probing bribery allegations against Justice Tunoi. Patrick Amimo begins our bulletin tonight.
Nairobi Governor Dr. Kidero appeared at the Supreme Court of Kenya for a date with a special committee of the Judiciary Service Commission investigating bribery allegations against Supreme Court Judge Phillip Tunoi. In November last year, former journalist Geoffrey Kiplagat saw an affidavit claiming Kidero bribed Justice Tunoi with 200 million shillings to influence the outcome of a case filed by his gubernatorial opponent in the 2013 general elections, Ferdinand Waititu. In the affidavit prepared by lawyer Ahmednasir, Kiplagat claims he acted as a conduit in the bribery chain between the judge and Governor Kidero. The governor spent half an hour with the Judiciary Committee probing the allegations in closed-door sessions and shared his responses to the allegations.
I don't know the judge. I've seen him on TV, and the closest ever I came to him was when my case was being heard. Secondly, the Katwa Kigen, I don't know him. I mean, I've only seen him. And there's no way that I could have given out any money for the determination of my case because I had a very, very strong case.
On Saturday, lawyer Ahmednasir Abdullahi introduced a new twist to the scandal when he claimed through his Twitter account that the bribe money awarded to judges to rule in favor of Kidero was about 300 million shillings and not 200 million as reported earlier. Ahmednasir claims that 200 million shillings was for 4 judges, whereas 2 were paid separately. Kidero said Ahmednasir's claims are false and malicious.
Because my case was solid, that's why even some of the advocates, like Ahmednasir, approached me and had a meeting with me, that he wanted to be part and parcel of my team. And I asked him why. He said he thought it was a very good and a strong case, except he wanted a lot of money. He wanted 25 million, and in cash and in advance. And since I had a very competent team, there was no need, and there was no need for me to pay him. And it's only after I said no to him, and he knows the details where we met, the people in that meeting are still alive, is when he crossed and went to Waititu. And I'm surprised that him in particular has been prosecuting this issue in media, and I can assure you that I'm going to sue, and I'm going to sue damn great.
Lawyer Katwa Kigen also appeared before the committee to give his side of the story. Geoffrey Kiplagat says in his affidavit that Justice Tunoi received 200 million shillings bribe from Katwa Kigen. Kiplagat claims the money was in a very big brown briefcase and was given to lawyer Katwa Kigen, who handed it to Justice Tunoi. Katwa, who did not speak to the media, has dismissed the claims as false. Katwa, however, says he knows Kiplagat after he met him at his former workstation, Kas FM. Lawyer Andrew Musangi and his client Michael Njeru also appeared before the probe committee. Geoffrey Kiplagat claims Njeru telephoned him to enlist Justice Tunoi to assist achieve a favorable outcome for Governor Kidero.
The truth? Yeah. Well, the truth is there's no such thing as a bribe being given to Judge Tunoi as far as we know. And that's what we're helping them establish. But they will make a decision. Let me not preempt them.
Lawyer Ahmednasir was present and also gave his side of the story. He says though he prepared the affidavit on bribery allegations against Justice Tunoi, he has no vested interest in the matter. Justice Tunoi has accused lawyer Ahmednasir Abdullahi, a former Judiciary Service Commission member, of involvement in the Chief Justice succession politics in the judiciary and was determined to ensure that he was kicked out of service. Tunoi says allegations that he received 200 million shillings from Katwa Kigen or anybody else is false, evil and capricious. Kenyans will be watching with keen interest to hear the verdict of the Special Committee of the Judicial Service Commission on the bribery allegations facing the judiciary. Patrick Amimo, KTN News, Nairobi.